Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to DM someone on Twitter account. So firstly sign in and log in your Twitter account, and after that click on this message icon. Now friends, in here you need to search people to DM. In my case I want to DM this Techno Pro. So select it. Now type your message, then click on send. That's it. So by this quick and very easy method we can DM someone on Twitter account. So firstly log in or sign in your account, then click on this message icon, then you need to search profile whom you want to DM, then search profile account whom you want to DM. That's it. Thanks for watching.